Hello student, in this lecture we will discuss about your file extension. So actually what is file extension? It is very important when we give a file name in a Python programming. We use always file extension. Imagine if you want to give a file names to your Python program, you will write like a b c dot p y. Here this is called your first name and it is your last name. First name is defined by the user. User has a full right to give a name whatever he wants, but this last name is given by it tells about the type of the file. Okay, I give you very simple example like take your name. We always have a first name and a last name. See here, this is one name, Taylor Swift. So Taylor is a first name and Swift is a last name. It tells about that person's family. In this family, all members would have a same name, that is a Swift. But every member would have a different first name but same last name. When we talk about our file also have a first name and a last name. See here, first name dot last name. First name is defined by the user. Second name defines the type of the file. Okay, so last name of the file is your called file extension. Understood? File extension. So file extension, its definition is a file name is divided into two parts, first name dot last name. This last name is called your extension, where first name is given by the user while the last name is defined by the software. I give you a few examples of the software. Those have a different file extensions. MS Word, its extension is .doc. MS Excel, its extension is XLS. Notepad, its extension is .txt. When we take any picture, they are different format, but we are discussing only one format, that is .jpg. Next, take example of some songs, and there is .mp3. Okay, now come to videos. So here videos have many extensions, but here I am writing .mp4. So these are the file extensions. That's why when we write any program of Python, we give first name as any one abc.py. Imagine you are typing a C++ program, then you will give file name as abc.cpp. Here CPP is a file extension of this file. And if you are typing your HTML program which is used for developing your web pages, we use like abc.html. So these last name tells about the type of the software. Understood? So we take a recap. File extension, it has two parts, first name and a last name. Last name is also called your file extension. First name is defined by the user. Last name tells about the type of the software. There are many softwares have a different file extension. Like these are the software names. These are the file extension. I think it is clear to you. If you have any doubt, if you have any comment, please write below and I will answer. Thank you.